In architecture, design proposal play an essential role in acquiring the job to move forward. Design proposal involve many aspects in describing not only design that is being proposed, but more importantly, to help the client experience the design. In this project, your goal is to Photoshop people into an existing design to help the client visualize themselves experience the design. Adding people will not only help client understand scale, but also to help them experience the design. So what we're going to do this time is to take a look at all the proposed area. So we have two proposed area here. You're going to choose one of these two. Here's one, and here's the other one. You get to choose one of the two and bring in all of these people into the site. And then the things you're going to be doing is you're going to be selecting each one of these people using what's called a quick selection, copy them and paste them into this site here. It gives them the perspective of scale and also experience the site. The other thing we're going to do at the same time is while you bring in people into the site, you're going to be scaling them. So, for example, if someone is standing up in front, they'll be larger, but if they're standing a little bit further away, they'll be a little smaller. Your objective is to bring all of these people into the particular site that you have chosen. So let's go ahead and take a look at how do we accomplish that goal. First thing you're going to do is choose one of the two. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this first one and click on this three little top dot on the right hand corner and say open a new window. Once you click on that, you're going to get the option now to click the download folder. And so now you're going to be able to download the file. Now it's in the download folder. And then go ahead and do the same thing with the other files that is there for you. So let's go back to the file and go back to the image here. And so download that as well. Click on the little dot, open a new window, and download. Let's start there.